Hi everyone, Mike Grubb here, Vice President of Global Sales for TruAudio and VSSL. I have to say, this is a full circle moment for me. Back in 2000, when I started my own business as a custom integrator, TruAudio was actually the very first brand I partnered with as a direct account. Since then, my career has taken me on an incredible journey across the industry. I've had the privilege of contributing my experience in sales leadership, business development, and marketing with companies like Atlona, Sonos, and Legrand. Along the way, I've learned the importance of building strong relationships, delivering meaningful experiences, and operating with integrity, all values that I'm excited to bring to this role and TruAudio's growth. Looking ahead, our focus is clear: fostering bilateral partnerships, strengthening dealer relationships, and working closely with distributors and reps. Being present in the market and actively supporting your business is a top priority for us. Together, we'll explore new opportunities for growth and success. I'm super excited to be part of this incredible organization and can't wait to connect with you in the marketplace. My door's always open, so don't hesitate to reach out. Let's make great things happen together.